Number 7, tires. Unless you're traveling to super remote places and you have a bike with very odd tires, if you have an issue with tires, you'll be able to find a shop that carries something that will fit your bike. It may not be the perfect tire, but trust me, it'll be fine. Also, if you've never changed a motorcycle tire, you are not going to learn how to do it at the side of the road. Howdy peeps, I'm Steve McKay, and I've ridden in all 50 states and over a dozen countries. I also have a full-time job, and I'm not Superman. I love to travel by motorcycle, and I want you to love it as well. I've made a lot of mistakes in my travels, so I'm going to share 7 things that you should not take on a motorcycle trip. Please help me out by liking this and subscribing. Number 6, tools you don't know how to use. I know we all like to be prepared in case of an emergency, but a moto trip is not the time to learn how to do something on your bike. If you don't know how to use it before you leave, it's just dead weight. Number 5, survival kits. Here's the thing. If you're traveling to some remote area where you might need to survive a long time if things were to go wrong, then you need to be packing for that remote area, and there should be no need for any extra survival kit. If you're traveling to more populated areas, you don't need a survival kit. Number 4, first aid kits. Now I'm talking about the commercially available first aid kits. They're not made with size and weight in mind, and honestly, they're usually filled with a lot of different sized Band-Aids. If you're traveling in a well-traveled area, anything in one of those kits can be found at most gas stations. Any injury that can't be handled at a gas station probably needs an ambulance. Now, if you are going to more remote areas, I do recommend you build your own first aid kit and make sure you include a moldable splint. They're easy to use, and sadly, joint twists and broken bones are some of the more common motorcycle injuries. Number 3, weapons. Now, I know there are a lot of people who feel like they have to carry a weapon at all times, and I'm not here to change your mind. But just be aware of what is considered an unacceptable weapon where you're traveling. Lots of local jurisdictions have different laws than where you live. Make sure you understand those before you go. I know of at least one person who tried to cross a border with what was an unacceptable weapon, and they did not have a good day. Number 2, those extra spares, those just in case you run out spares. You're not going to need it. And if you do end up needing that one extra, you'll probably need 2 extras. A motorcycle trip is an exercise in minimalism. Just leave the extras behind. If you have something that keeps failing on your bike, you really need to fix it permanently before you travel, especially if you keep popping fuses or light bulbs. Trust me, it will not get better. Number 1, if you aren't sure if you need the thing, then trust me, you don't need it. Whatever it is, if you don't have a plan for when it's going to be used, just don't bring it. When I'm on my trips, I start to move things around in my bags, and slowly things I don't use migrate to the bottom. When I get done, all those things that I don't use are the things I don't bring on my next trip. I hope this list of things not to bring on a moto trip will help you have a more enjoyable time on your trip. If you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and share with your travel companions. Think I missed something important? Let me know below. You might want to check out some of my other videos on how to travel by motorcycle. Thanks for watching, and may you have travel and good fortune in your future.